Welcome in, welcome in. Today we're not doing much other than to say I've got two Agars. That's how much I like this board. It's a great little budget board. This one is ALU Ano. This one is white coated. The finish is still very, very smooth. Still very nice. Both have the same copper weights. Other than that, there's no meaningful way to compare these build-wise, but I will still do a back-to-back comparison since I have them here and it's easy to do. This one's DCS. This one is GMK. Both cherry. This one is cherry MX Reds that I harvested, and this one is MX Browns from Tom B. Tomb keyboards. I call them Tom B. Not to be confused with Tom from Hype. Great boards. All right, here comes the back-to-back.